Hello, in this video, we will introduce dynamic cast. We already used static cast. We also used reinterpret cast. In C++, there are three castings: static cast, reinterpret cast, and dynamic cast. Let's look at dynamic cast in this video. Here's the function. This is G's geometric object. In the function, we invoke G dot get radius, G dot get diameter, G dot get width, get height. Now, if you invoke this function with a circle for G, so these two functions are fine, but these two functions, you'll get a problem. Well, you actually here is the, you're not going to be able to compile this code because this geometric object, you don't have the get width and get the radius. So this program cannot be even compiled. Well, now you can fix this problem by doing some casting here. So this, I'm going to cast this, the geometric object into circle before invoking get radius, and before invoking get diameter, cast to circle, and before invoking get width, cast to radius, and before invoking get height, cast to rectangle. So this is fine, you can compile it, but when you run this program, you get a runtime casting error. If you pass circle, yes, you can cast for the first two casting, but you cannot cast to rectangle. So that is a problem. The problem can be fixed now using dynamic cast. So this is what we're going to do is we're going to use dynamic cast right here. We're going to put this code right here is display geometric object. So here for this G, these two functions are fine. Get area and get perimeter. So it's both circle or rectangle fine. Now for get radius, what we do is to perform a dynamic casting. So this is dynamic cast of this G. This is the pointer. So we're going to pass this to the cast it to circle. So here's P1. And for this, we also try to cast it to rectangle. This is P2. So this is done dynamically now. If the casting is successful, this is going to be fine. If it's not, it's going to be no pointer. So if it's not no pointer, that means it's indeed a circle object. So then you can get its radius, get its diameter. So here for P2, if it is not no pointer, means casting successful. And this now you can get its width and get its height. So this is a test program, and this is why we are using dynamic cast. So we do it at runtime to determine what is G really is. So then accordingly, we can perform appropriate actions. That is all for this section, dynamic cast. See you on the next video.